PDF Toolbox is a powerful desktop application designed to handle a variety of PDF tasks with ease. With this application, you can convert multiple files to PDF. You can also merge, rearrange, and rotate pages of multiple files. The tool also allows you to extract single pages from multiple files. It also allows you to extract a range of pages or a single page from a single file and store these either separately or in a file. To download the application, you can go to the application homepage at GitHub, and then you go to the release section, and then scroll down to the assets, and here you find the executable. Click on the executable to download it. Alternatively, you can download the application directly from the link in the video description. For the PDF Toolbox application to work properly, you need first to install LibreOffice from LibreOffice.org. The application uses LibreOffice as Office program to convert files to PDF, which is stored by default in this folder, which is the default installation folder of LibreOffice. If you change the default installation folder for LibreOffice, then you need to change the path for SOffice to match the path of LibreOffice. You can do this from Settings, Change SOffice Path. In this file dialog, you can change where the new path or location for SOffice program. The output text area at the bottom shows the default location of SOffice program, and it shows any changes made. The application allows you to convert, merge, extract, and rearrange multiple files to PDF. You don't need to convert the files to PDF. The application will automatically convert the files to PDF. The application also allows you to extract range of pages from a file and save it either to a single file or save it as range of pages. To convert files to PDF, you need first to select the files that you want to convert. We will use this folder PDF test as a sample file. To convert files to PDF, you have first to select the files by clicking on Select Files. In the Open File dialog, suppose we want to choose File 1 through File 4, and we want to choose also first app.y. We can either drag to select File 1 through File 4, or we can click on File 1 and hold Shift and click on File 4 to select all of them, and then we can hold Control and click on first app.py to add this file to the selected list, and then we click Open, and the application will add the selected file in the list. The application will convert all the selected files to PDF if you click on Convert Files to PDF, and it will show you in the output text area the files being converted, and you can see the files on the left side being added to the folder. Now all the files have been converted to PDF. If you click Merge Files to PDF, the application will first convert the files to PDF, and after the conversion finishes, it will merge these files into a single PDF file. And the text area will show you the path where the file is stored. Usually it is stored in the same directory where the files are. And here is the merged output file. You can also add more files by clicking Select Files, and let's choose this file which has 10 pages. And you can click Extract Pages as PDF. So the application will first convert all the files in the list to PDF, and then it will extract each page in each file. For each file, the application will create a folder, and inside that folder, you will find the pages that have been extracted. For example, file number 5 has 10 pages extracted. You can also arrange pages from multiple files and save them as a single PDF file. For example, let's move the file at the bottom to the top by clicking Move Up, and then we click Rearrange Pages. The program will first convert all the files to PDF, and after it converts them to PDF, as you can see on the left side, another program will open which will allow you to arrange the pages, and after you arrange the pages, you can save them as a single PDF file. After the Arrange program launches, you can drag and drop pages to put them where you want, and after you order them the way you like, you can click Save, and then you can choose the path and the file name where you want to save the arranged files. Let's call it Arranged and then Save. After we click Save, the program saves the file to arrange.pdf. The application also allows you to extract a single page or range from a single PDF file. For example, if we select file number 5 and suppose we want to extract page number 2, number 3, and range 1 to 5 and 5 to 10, then we click on Extract Range as PDF. Then the application will first convert the file to PDF and it will create a folder with that file name, and it will extract the pages into that folder. As you can see, page 1 to 5, page 2, page 3, and page 5 to 10. If you want, you can also save the extracted range as a single PDF file by checking Save to a single PDF file and clicking Extract Range as PDF. Then the application will merge the output from the extracted pages and ranges into a single file and will save it in the folder that has the same name as the file. And here you can see the output. If you want to clear the selected files, the output text area and the range, you simply click on Clear. You can also use the buttons at the top to convert, merge, extract, and rearrange pages.